Now this is what I call sound differences. This is going to be a test of something of sound coming out of my monitor speakers using a song which I highly doubt would actually mind me using.
I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to swim.
This is on volume level.
To prosper,
Not up.
to die, to
So I like it well focused quick enough. The volume level 20, you can see that.
I wish today it wouldn't rain all day, cause it slows down my frame.
And then here's sound coming out of my just ignore that. Here's sound coming out of my normal speakers, if I can get it up. Well, CWSS, right. Okay, now let's play that again. Tell me which one's better.
Still searching for that abandoned mind. I can always hope, but I'm really far away, yeah, but that's alright, cause I plan on playing
That's
this
who's
till the
calling
end of
me
the
as
night.
well.
I got my pick, cobblestone on fight. See that diamond shine like a beacon light. Me against creepers, me against skeletons. Don't forget zombies, close relatives. Creative mode right now would be relevant. I'd be like Nicky and fly like a pelican. Make it up as the day breaks in. Looking back at all the
Anyway,
stuff I was
that
in.
was a little test
Lava,
video.
sword.
I'll see you later. Bye.